Hi, I'm Marina Ribot and I'm from Catalonia, living near Girona. Last October, I discovered anthotyping, and since then, I haven't stopped exploring new pigments and sun printing. The entire process is exciting, but the moment of disassembling the anthotype and seeing the final print is magical. For this challenge, I have presented an anthotype made with vetch flowers, which are abundant in my region. I was looking for a purple pigment, but they turn green when mixed with alcohol. Once layered on the paper, they resulted in a beautiful turquoise hue. I've chosen the flower of life as my subject because I'm very interested in sacred geometry and its power. Hope you enjoy it! Happy Anthotype Day!
Follow, you take